Hey there kids! So my Dell XPS 13 internal battery needs to be replaced for the second time in less than 4 years. It's the same story like last time. The touchpad has risen up in its place and stopped working. Clearly, this is caused by a swollen battery. This XPS is so fancy with its metallic body and all these delicate tiny screws. Don't forget the little screw under the XPS magnetic panel. Very gently unplug the battery power cable. It's a 4-cell battery. One of these cells is clearly swollen and pressuring the touchpad. Check out this little fatty. Yep, this is the swollen up, alright. After replacing this battery, the touchpad should go back in its place and start working again. If you need a new laptop battery, just click the link in this video description. Thanks for watching!